While it seemed House Speaker Robin Vos put plans to impeach Justice Jana Protasewicz on hold earlier this week, the lawmaker is now saying the possibility is not off the table. Political reporter Dariel Fair has you covered with what the Speaker had to say during a press conference at the Capitol.
If you remember, Vos asked 3 former Wisconsin Supreme Court justices to be a part of a panel for guidance on impeaching Protasewicz. 2 of those 3 have advised against it. Former Justice David Prosser wrote in an email to Vos on Friday that there was no evidence of corrupt conduct, therefore no basis for impeachment. Former Justice John Wilcox telling the Associated Press yesterday he was not in favor of it. House Speaker Robin Vos confirmed during a press conference today that he was not walking away from the conversation on impeachment, but would monitor Protasewicz's ability to remain impartial as the court considers a lawsuit challenging the state's district maps.
Absolutely not. So what I would say is I have listened to the folks that have reached out to me and that I have sought their advice. And what they have said, if you listen to the words that they talk about, especially in David Prosser's memo that he released, we want to focus on what is occurring in office.
Vos once again said Protasewicz should have recused herself from the district map case and referred to the $10 million Protasewicz received from the Democratic Party during her campaign.
She said she's going to follow the law. The most important aspect of the law is following past precedent. If we see that the contributions that the Democratic Party made to her, expecting a result in that will certainly be something that we have to keep on the table.
Protasewicz announced on Friday that she would not recuse herself from the case, arguing that any party pushing for the recusal of a justice impacts the integrity of the judicial system. With its now liberal majority, the Supreme Court's decision to hear a case that could potentially change how the state draws its legislative maps leaves a great deal of uncertainty as the 2024 election season approaches.